Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the ultrasound of the thyroid. Disclaimer, just showing what I had done to scan by a patient. This is the right lobe. This is the left lobe. Ayan. Ito yung left lobe ng pasyente na merong problema na ito yung Doppler. Ito pa rin yung left lobe na kung saan binago natin ang paghawak ng probe at nilagyan natin ng Doppler color. Ganun pa man, longitudinal yung probe sa left side ng lobe ng kanyang thyroid. Okay, ito na yung color Doppler na aking sinukat yung kung gaano kalaki yung left lobe niya. Ayan. Ayan yung sukat. Ayan yung kung gaano siya sinukat. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Okay. Okay. Left pa rin. Ayan yung sukat. Ayan. Left pa rin with the color Doppler. Ayan. Sa color Doppler kasi guys, doon mo ma-appreciate kung gaano ang gaano yung katindi. Kaano katindi. Ayun. Oo. Yun. Dito na tayo sa right side naman. Sa right side, meron din siyang right lobe ng thyroid niya. Meron ding problema. Ayan. Mas malaki yung sa right lobe. Ayan. Color Doppler pa rin yan. Ayan. Always I ended with a color Doppler to appreciate what is the problem of the thyroid. Okay, this is it. And this is it without the color. Still in the right lobe. Okay, still in the right lobe. Ayan. Ayan na yung sukat. Ayan. Worrisome because of the measured how the size is. Okay. Then another one in the right lobe, small but it is well defined yung line, well-defined line ang only lang dense. Okay, ito yung submandibular ng pasyente. Okay, right submandibular. Now this is the left submandibular. Okay. Right, without the color. Ayan, left. Okay, I did not able to have the picture of Ethmos. Yan. Okay. Then let's go to the quite big. Yung report na niya, ito yung report. Okay, this is the report. Okay, yung impression niya is picture described above suggested of multinodular goiter for fine needle aspiration biopsy. Yan. Fine needle aspiration biopsy, FNAB. Okay. Bulky size, right lobe measure 3.8 by 2.2 by 2.2 cm. Left lobe measure 4 by 1 by 8 by 2 cm. Ethmos thickness is 1 cm. Heterogeneous, okay. Heterogeneous, it's a mixed of it's like mix of toxin inside, showing multiple variable size nodules. The largest nodule on the right lobe measured 3.6 by 2.3 cm, showing cystic degeneration with intranodular and perinodular high vascularity. Another smaller one measures 7.5 by 6.8 mm. The largest nodule on the left measures 2.7 by 1 point, showing cystic degeneration with intranodular and perinodular high vascularity. Doon yan yung high vascularity, doon yan nakita doon sa color Doppler. And showing small foci of calcification. Okay, submandibular salivary gland, average size, normal parenchymal, peak vascularity, no focal lesion, calcifications, or areas of altered echogenicity. No signs of inflammation or salivary duct obstruction. Yan. Ito na yung pinakabuod. Picture described above suggestive of multinodular goiter for fine needle aspiration biopsy. Okay guys, yun lahat ang nakikita dito sa ating thyroid ultrasound. Yan. Can you imagine how useful to have a checkup? The patient was just complaining, difficult to swallow, no pain, but decided to come to have a checkup. Then it happens like this. So it is all what is this? How old the patient was is the patient was only 31 years old. She was 31 years old. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. I hope you all have the great day.